If you don't like the new YouTube layout like me and you want the old one back, then this is the video for you. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. So without any delay, let's start the video. Make sure to watch the video till the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So at first open the first link in the description below, then add this extension to the Chrome browser. After that open the second link in the description below, then add this extension as well. And third step is to open the third link in the description, and that's gonna open a page with a bunch of code in it. But don't worry, all you have to do is click on install button at the left side. The fourth step is to click on the fourth link in the description, which will also open a page with a bunch of code in it. Then click on the install style button. When you do these 4 steps, then you can go back to youtube.com or refresh the YouTube page, and you can see the changes has been applied and you are back with old YouTube layout. But there might be one problem. When you open a YouTube video in full screen, you have a bar or some elements that are still visible. But don't worry, in order to fix that, you have to click the fifth link on video description and add that extension to your Chrome browser. And the last step is to go back to your extensions. Then open the unblock origin which we have just added. Then find the setting icon and click on it. After that, click on this section called My Filter. Select the first line and then paste step 6 from the description of the video. Then click on this Apply Changes button. Then you will get rid of that bar or other elements when you go full screen. So that's how you can restore back the old YouTube layout. Thank you so much for watching this video everyone. If you find this video useful and if you also wish to do something for me, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back with other problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.